Your morning coffee is a non-negotiable ritual, but the stains it leaves behind are a nightmare. You catch a glimpse of your smile in the bathroom mirror and realize things are looking a bit more yellow than they used to. The immediate thought is to reach for those sticky whitening strips. We all know how that goes. They slide around your mouth. They taste like chemicals. Most importantly, they make your teeth feel like they are vibrating with pain every time you breathe in cold air. That is the peroxide at work. It gets results, but at a heavy cost to your comfort. This is exactly where the Hikari whitening powder tries to step in. It is blowing up all over social media right now. The big hook is that it contains zero peroxide. Instead, it relies on a technology they call PAP+. It is designed to oxidize stains without triggering that deep, aching sensitivity. Think of it as a gentler way to scrub away the evidence of your wine habit or your daily caffeine fix. They also added hydroxyapatite to the mix. This is a big deal because it is a mineral that your teeth are actually made of. It helps to remineralize and strengthen your enamel while you whiten. It is basically a double-duty product. You also get something called CPC, which handles the bacteria that cause bad breath. The application process is the most appealing part of the whole thing. There are no messy gels. There are no awkward LED lights that make you look like a sci-fi character. You just dampen your toothbrush and dip it right into the powder. Then you brush for a couple of minutes. It fits right into your existing routine without adding extra steps. The company claims some people see a shift in shade after only a few uses. But we have to be realistic here. Results are never universal. Your habits play a massive role in how well this works. If you are constantly sipping on dark sodas or smoking, no powder in the world is going to be a magic eraser. Then, there's the question of trust. Is this just another viral trap? The company seems legitimate. They have clear ingredient lists. They have a refund policy in place. However, the feedback loop is a bit lopsided. Most of the 5-star reviews are hosted directly on their own platform. It is hard to find unbiased, third-party accounts of how it performs over the long term. This is a classic move for new internet brands. They control the narrative early on. You should always look for independent voices before you pull the trigger on a purchase. It is a promising alternative for the sensitive teeth crowd. It replaces harsh bleaching with a more modern chemical approach. But it is not a miracle cure for years of neglect. It requires consistency and patience. If you are tired of the sting of traditional lighteners, this might be the switch you have been looking for. Just keep your eyes open, and do not expect a total transformation overnight. A brighter smile is a marathon, not a sprint. The ease of use is definitely its strongest selling point. No one wants a complicated beauty routine. If you can get whiter teeth just by brushing, that is a huge win for everyone. There's something satisfying about a product that does not require you to sit still for 30 minutes with plastic in your mouth. It feels like the future of dental care is finally catching up to our busy schedules. Just make sure you are brushing correctly and staying consistent. Without that, even the best powder is just a jar sitting on your shelf. Be smart with your money and your teeth.